everyone, this is Nivi Chipu and you are watching the channel Language Gallery. If you are a language learner and if you are interested to learn English grammar, please subscribe my channel and follow my videos. Article English grammar is an important element that will help you for a proper daily communication as well as students of all level and candidates those who are preparing for the competitive exam must watch this video till the end. There are three articles in English grammar: a, an and the. These three articles we proper use in these three articles we divide. They are definite article and indefinite article. Aim, anum, it's treated as indefinite article. This aim, anum, we use it shows the quantity also. Example, I have an apple. I have an apple. And we have used here before the noun apple. That also shows a quantity that I have one apple. I have a pen. That also shows that in the one pen. So a and an, it shows the quantity also. And aim and we use the singular noun in a third mumbana. In every aim and use here. There are certain rules for that. Rule number 1. If a noun starts with any of the vowel, we have to use an before the noun. So English alphabets are divided into 2, vowels and consonants. And we know 5 vowels and 21 consonants. If a noun starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, any of this letter, then we have to make sure that we have used an before this noun. Example, I have an apple. Apple starts with the vowel A. So we have used an. Rule number 2. If the noun starts with a consonant, that means other than the 5 vowels, you have to use A before the noun. Example, I have a pen. P is a consonant. So we have used A here. I have a pen. Rule number 3. If any nouns starting with the sound of a vowel, we have to use an. Now, in all vowels and consonants and the sound and the pronunciation will be different sometimes. So, we use noun use the starting of the letter. If sound is as a vowel, then we have to use an irrespective of the letter. Example, I have to wait for an hour. I have to wait for an hour. H-O-U-R is R. But H is a consonant, but we are not pronouncing the sound of H. We are starting with O, that R. So as it is R, we have to use the vowel rule, that is an before the noun. Now rule number 4. If any noun starts with a consonant sound irrespective of the letter, we have to use A. We don't say an university, we must say a university. Because even though it starts with U, U is a vowel, but in the sound is ya, university. Ya is a consonant. So we say it as a university instead of an university. So these 4 aim and use rules. Now we the use. The is the definite article in English. Definite article means this the is used to specify the noun. What we are talking about in particular, അതിനാണ് നമ്മൾ the ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. ഈ ദായ്ക്ക് നമ്മൾ the എന്നും ചില സമയത്ത് ചില സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ പറയും. We will see where we will use the and where we will use the. If we want to say an object which is only one in this universe, before that noun we will use the or the according to the noun that we are going to talk about. Example, the sun rises in the east. The sun the must be used there because sun നമുക്ക് യൂണിവേഴ്സൽ ഒരെണ്ണേ ഉള്ളൂ. സോ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ the ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. That's why the is treated as a definite article. ഇനി നമ്മൾ എവിടെയാണ് the എന്നും എവിടെയാണ് the എന്നും പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുക? വവൽ സൗണ്ടോ അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ വവലോ ആണ് ദയ്ക്ക് ശേഷം വരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ we have to pronounce the as the. അതായത് വവൽ സൗണ്ടോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു വവലോ ആണ് നൗണിൻ്റെ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് എങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ the എന്നാണ് പറയുക, the അല്ല. Similarly, when it starts with a consonant sound or a consonant, we have to use or we have to say the instead of the. അങ്ങനെ ഇത് രണ്ടുമാണ് situation. So now onwards we have to use this a, and the, these articles properly in our conversations. All the very best. Thank you.